Hey, it's Kay. Hope you're feeling cute today.
Such a shame you had to meet me on a day like this. I think I've gone insane, crossing names right off my drop-dead list. They won't be missed.
Welcome back to my channel. Hi again everyone. I'm so sorry for being MIA for the past 3 months. Life has been so busy lately and I didn't have time to film. And honestly, I have to admit that I lost a little bit of motivation to film and edit my videos. But I am back, and by the time I'm posting this, it's already January and it's already my birth month. So for today's video, we're going to do creative home photo shoots that you can do on your birthday or on any special occasion or whenever you just feel like doing a photo shoot. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. I missed saying that.
Such a shame you had to meet me on a day like this.
The first concept is red present. Many have told me that red is my color, and I definitely agree because I feel so confident and powerful whenever I am in red. Since many of you were asking about my camera settings for photo shoots, here you go. As usual, I'm using the FUJI XA3, and I don't change settings that much except for ISO 200. Image size is always 3:2. Image quality is fine most of the time, but whenever I shoot on low lighting, I like to set the image quality to RAW, and then the self timer is most of the time 10 seconds since I'm doing this on my own. For this photo shoot, I just used this black fabric as my backdrop, and as per usual, I only have this ring light as my source of lighting. Long gloves have been a trend lately and I love it. It just adds so much character, and I feel like this all red look is really fire. I also used red lipstick and compact blush as my props. Red is a really powerful color and most people actually wear red on their birthdays, so this fit perfectly with the theme. For the editing, I wanted to make it look like a creative glam photo shoot, so I opened the photo on PixArt, and then I removed the background, and then I changed it to plain black. Then I also took photos of my hand holding the lipstick, so I imported those as well. And as usual, I made slight adjustments with the lighting and colors on Lightroom. And then I opened it on Prequel to add the dusty effect to give it a warmer, grainier finish. And these are my favorite pictures from this concept. And my obsession with long gloves continues for the second concept. I got these gloves in fake white tulips online and they look so cute. I love this look so much, it gives vintage rich princess daughter who lives in a mansion and has 2 ponies vibes. But it's also giving vintage bridal photo shoot. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I really love how this all-white look stands out in this magenta red background that matches my lips. I like it so much, I can't explain why. So for the editing, as you can see, I edited my wall from that orange-red color to a more magenta red because it's the color of the year for 2023. This already looks so good as it is, but if you want to achieve that vintage portrait photo booth look, you can add this effect on Prequel and adjust the settings to your liking.
lost at the downtown stop.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day.
For the third concept, of course, we need to have a fun, carefree birthday photo shoot. This is inspired by the birthday photos and live stream of K-pop idols, wherein they're just holding their cake, wearing cute birthday glasses with cute birthday decorations as backdrop. Anyways, this is such a fun photo shoot, and the best way to do it is to put some fun K-pop music and dance even if you don't know the steps.
Next I'm playing Touch My Body by Sistar.
And you can also pose with your cake. And I think it's so funny whenever K-pop idols accidentally drop their cakes on the floor whenever they pose for pictures. For the editing, I did some lighting and color adjustments in Lightroom, which is flashed on the screen right now. And then I opened the photo on PixArt to add some film effect to make it look like a Polaroid photo. And then lastly, I opened it on Canva to add the instant Polaroid film frame. You could also add more background elements like this paper-like texture, and you could make it look like a little scrapbook moment with these elements on Canva. This was so much fun to do, and it felt very cute. The last concept is also really easy. You just need to get one source of lighting and use some props like this headband for your birthday and your birthday cake. It was a bit tricky to find a correct placement of lighting to get that perfect silhouette for me, but placing it on the left side of the camera worked the best. You could take side view silhouettes to show the shape of your face and hair. Or you could face the light and the camera wearing a headband that says Happy Birthday to add even cuter details. This was such a fun birthday photo shoot, and I love all the concepts so much, but I wanna know which one you like most. Let me know in the comments! And I guess that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and again, I'm so sorry for being MIA for 2 months. I promise that I will try to upload more videos this year, and I hope you're still here to watch it. Thank you so much for being part of my 2022. And I hope you can still hang out more this 2023. Happy New Year!
If